Hello, citizen of the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Llama.cpp server models into the VS Code. You can see here I'm using a Llama.cpp server. It's running on my computer, and you can implement into the VS Code, and you will start using an AI agent into your VS Code. And let me tell you something, it is very fantastic kind of AI agent tool you can use, which is the free of cost. You are not going to pay any amount of money to any company for any kind of API. It is free and it is for unlimited time. And the cool thing is you can ask to generate the code, you can ask for the debug the code, you can talk to your computer in natural language, you can ask to do anything, you can download from the GitHub, you can install a GitHub project, and just it will be happen just for the saying the things in a natural language, so you wouldn't believe what is going on here. So let me show you how the things are working. So pay attention here and see what is going on here. This is my VS Code, and in this VS Code I have installed an extension, and I'm running my Llama CPP server here. And when I ask to the agent to create a file, and the name of the file is hello.txt. So it will think and will start generating, and you can see here it's just generated a text file here. Suppose I ask again a question, I will give again a prompt file to create a file name by.txt, and look at this, it will generate a file here. And you can here, let me show you. Here, the question is, I can create file by.txt for you, but I need to know what content would you like to in. Okay, just say I want empty file. Okay, and just click on control accept, and it will create a file. So the thing is going on here. You are typing in natural language, and you are performing the real task on the computer. And we can do much more thing. Suppose let me create more file here. File, create a Python file. I'm typing Python file. The name of the file is snake.py, and write a snake game Python code in it. Python code in it. Okay, let's see the magic here. Let's see the magic. It is thinking. The model is thinking right now. Model is thinking. It is all going on this local computer. I'm using RTX 4070. Okay, so you can see my code is ready here. All I can just control and accept, and you can see here uh, the file has been created here, and you can see the code in this. So code has been saved, code has been insert into the VS Code. So this is the our first tool, use case. Let me show you something else. Suppose I want to check something in my computer. So I will just type here at the rate terminal, and you can ask, okay, so ask where you are. I mean, which is the working directory. Look at this, what is going on here. The computer gave, I mean, the model gives you a command you can control and accept, and here is your working directory. So this is how the things are working. Suppose I gave a task here. Task is that terminal. Terminal is for the tasking terminal, and let's say create a conda environment. Create a conda environment. Name hello. Use Python 3.11. Hit enter. And here we go. It will give you a command and you will just accept it, and the things will be happening in the computer. Things will be happening in the computer. I can show you what I just did. Okay, let me show you here. Conda env list. And you can see what I did. I just created a conda environment just by the typing in the natural language. And there is so many things you can do. You can literally do anything. You can download a GitHub repository, you can install that repository, and you can also, let me show you one more thing here. Okay, terminal scan my local network using nmap. Look what is going on here. It will give you it will give you a command line, and you just have to click on the control and accept, and it will do everything for you. It will run a command. If the commands fails, it will write another command, and it will execute. And these all the things are being happening on your local computer, so you are not going to give your data to the companies or your money to the company. So I think it is a very good idea to implement the Llama.cpp server into your computer. Okay, so let me show you something more interesting. Here is my file. You can see snake.py I just created. When I will type at the rate files here, I can give a name snake.py, and can ask some follow-up questions. Suppose I just want to ask what is this code is all about. So I can just type what is this code? What is this code? So okay, the model is responding here. You can see this is a snake game implementation in Python. Here is what your code does. You can see all those things, and you can also ask some more follow-up question. Is there any error? Is there any error? Model will think of it and will start responding. It's thinking. It's thinking. You can see also the thinking process here. Okay, the model is responding, so I will minimize this. Okay, you can see here the error if the error is there. Okay, so let me show you one more interesting thing. What you can do with this this setup. And here, suppose I just type terminal, and okay, so I will just give a link to download this. Okay, so I will give this. I will just type here download this GitHub repo, and I will provide the link here. Let's see what is going on here. It will give you a command to download this, and you will just accept here, and the things will be start cloning in this directory. So you can see here what is going on here, and you also can let it clone first. It's cloning, is still cloning. You can see here cloning into the open claw. It's cloning. It is still cloning. See all those files. Okay, it has been cloned right now, and you can check. You can check. You can ask some question. What is this repo all about? Okay, so it is asking for ls the open claw. You just have to accept that. And here we go. This is a comprehensive open source AI agent platform. And you can ask anything, and literally you can ask for the installation of this repo. So this is the use cases, and you can use it for anything. And the setting this up is very straightforward. You don't have to deal with the rocket science. You all have to install the Llama.cpp, and the Llama.cpp is running my here. You can see this is my Llama.cpp server, and I'm using a model, 9 billion parameters model. And here you can see the exact live performance of my GPU. I'm using RTX 4070. You have 12 gigs of VRAM, and here you can see my Llama CMB server is running, and which is taking just 8 gigabytes of my VRAM, total VRAM. So let me show you the live performance of my GPU on it. I will top this on and ask some follow-up question here. The question is, I want to install it. So how I can install it? How I can install it? Okay, so let me see. Check here. The only things will be varied here. The power will be goes all the way up, and here it will give me a command. I will just execute, and when I will execute it, the installation process and how I can install this. And you also can ask to install to the model. I mean, you don't have to type your commands manually. You just have to ask this from the model. You can ask how to install this. I mean, install this in my computer. So model will start installing these all the things which are required for you. The model can create the environment for you. In that environment, you can start installing this. So let me help you how you can set this up. So for the setting the Llama CPP server into the VS Code is very straightforward. We all have to do is start our Llama CPP server, which we just installed in my previous video. If you not watch my last video, you can see how we can how we can install the Llama CPP server. And in this video, the Llama CPP server is already installed. So all we have to do is start this server right now. So okay, so I will activate my Conda environment first. So Conda activate the Llama CPP. Llama CPP is the name of the my Conda environment where I have these all files. And when the Llama CPP server, I mean the Conda environment has activated, I will move to the directory in the Llama, and I will move into the directory Llama CPP. So here you can see all my files is here, and it is ready to run. So I will just type here to start the server build. After that I will enter bin. After that I will type the llama dash server. After that I will type the an argument. The name of the argument is am, and I will give the path of the model here. So the name of my model is Qwen 3.9 3.5. It is a 9 billion parameter model. So I will just give here the NGL value, number of GPU layer. Number of GPU layer is 32. And I will give a context window size here of 1 lakh, 200,000, 10,000 lakh. So I will just press enter here, and my server will start running here. You can see here, you can just type on this link, click on this link and the server will be open here. You can ask any question. Hey, it will be replying so fast in your browser. So in this video we are not using this server into our browser, we are implementing it in the VS Code. So just open up VS Code here, just open up VS Code and let me maximize it. Okay, so the first thing is we have to go into the extension and type here continue. The name of the extension is continue. You just have to type the continue. Okay, continue. So here is the first one is continue open source AI code agent. You just have to click on this and click on install it. And when when it will be installed, it will be give a icon like this here. So just after installation, click on this, and when you click on this, you can see here setting and config. When you click on the config, you just have to click on this local config and click on the local config, and you all have to copy this and paste in this config.yaml folder. I will share this file into the description box. You all have to copy this and paste in it, and you are good to go. So let me uninstall it and show you how you can do this. Okay, let me copy this out first. I just copied, and let me I will keep here my this ML. This is a configuration file and ML file. It is very important to keep because if you do not have this, you can't run the Llama CPP server into the VS Code. So I'm uninstalling the I'm installing the continue. So I'm going moving into the extension and clicking on the continue, and I'm uninstalling it. It has have been installed. So let me close this up first, VS Code, and I will again open up the VS Code. Restart does matter. If things are not working, you all have to do is restart. So just here, I will type continue here, continue. First one, I will just install this. Here you can see the continue is already for the use. Okay, so click on setting, click on config, the local file, click on local file, and paste that config YAML file code in it, and you are good to go. This is how you can implement the Llama CPP servers into your VS Code. If there are any questions, please comment, and please do subscribe my channel. I'm reading a lot of research paper and helping to implement the local AI models to the people. So thanks for watching. Thanks.